Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Of course ni ta ka Dr. Josh Rimane na nga ta hi continue of course va linka na beef lay usuka of course from Men of War jibita ka tapela Men of War then makumu of course mi ta hi hetela hi lekker stylist. Yeah. So previous I'm sure of course already and in a video like kumsa jibita ka tapela Men of War ka kasukela Dr. Josh Rimane but ka sukunta of course rati 22 ta February sukuna continuation. Because if you can get his account, don't fun girl, not fun come away. I go busy blind, kata I posted 21. So if you want to Men of War, of course Africa tsala ku rihlanga ro boha hi moya beef. Before I continue ya ku asarni already ka previous video ne. As you can see, Africa tsala ku Good Friday Men of War beef to Dr. Josh Rimane. Aku rihlanga ro ri ba hi moya. Leswi of course Africa tsala swona kwalano. So swi veta swo swi tlya ku post leyi yisiwa ka yo. Then I continue ku yitwa nipi madala cigarette ibazela leswo of course anga faka komza ko shokora then afika hi pfula vike kuma I'm sorry guys afika vekela xin'wana as you can see kwalano xi na vumanga xikarhi and stuff like that swo mixing like even minenge la swo hinga xi na vu kangaroo xikarhi nyana sort of a mixture nyana yo fambisana swo nyana as you can see kwalano so in other words Men of War is trying to say ku hi vona loko a na swo ka hi munhu wa miri so so as already indicated even got the previous video man tivi ku nyimbi leyi nga kona leyiwa yi va n'wi yini ku ntisa I don't know what's the war about ko va Men of War mina ni tivi ku why a yi ri ku yi sukeleni a swi se tiveka na sweswi I think swi nga va kahle over explain hi ku a ni twisisi ku ku problem yi le kwini kwalano ya ifa komisa ku yitwa nipi madala cigarette bazel nipi I'm not sure i nipi but since la loko na of course hloko na xikotelela maybe i vula alcohol ne maybe anga kha vula alcohol but mara hi Men of swi wrong ngopfu leswi nga ku swi endleni it's very very wrong it's very wrong leswi swi endlaku mkhulu Dr. Josh Rimane but a ridzi hopefully ta za hlamusela ku problem yi le kwini because man ndzi za ntwisa ku beef leyi why yi ri kona sweswi for what reason why ala ku yi beef hi leswo then of course ke hinda heka ka stylist hi ku va na comment yi nga fa yi nghena of course from Soneth kwalano hi ta confirm vele so as you can see ka siku ra mthuvasa ra 22 ta February ufika hi scroll life kuma ku hoy so ni kombela I choose yi na 2 million views as you can see kwalano yeah as you can see kwala so hi nga vula tani congratulations to him local stylist tani sweswi a nga DJ maphorisa ya risimu and also J John and also Papa Roland it's a very very powerful song like vanhu va rhandzini ku na line yo fana ya J John laha the song was balanced the lyrical wise the song was balanced vanhu va ri rhandzini swinene ya na line yo halalalela hambi ri ndahila and stuff like that ya ka that line yi ku line yeah Amir marana hilo or la hilo ay marine areza ni stuta finna swo vula kwala swo right Amir marana hilo or la hilo swin'wana swi lavaka and then also of course Papa Rolano are iconic in terms of line leyo na vele one jikela yeah yin'wana iconic lines and van'wana va yi seka nhlamba la ni ya Papa Rolano if you know nge swi tsala laha and mi nga swi tsala na ku tsala nhlamba ka comments but van'wana va yi cinca that part yo one jikela va yisa yi va yi na nhlamba like in a way yo munhu wa va toilet and stuff like that which was crazy lekere unga lekere of course nhlweni vona fika tsala hi post la nga va tsala ku 2 million views hi 3 months i matimu muslama sweswi mi ya byela Papa Leah ku hi de 2 million rands ya yo ai sweswi mi ya byela Papa Leah Papa Rolano yeah 2 million views in 3 months i matimus yeah I think in terms of an MP3 i matimu ku hi sayiti ra MP3 i matimu ya ku hi sayiti ra MP3 ya I think i matimu ku va yi hatla yi kuma this views like in terms of ndhawu leyi ya xigaza track vhele yeah I think so yeah I think so in terms of MP3 na lomu ka valungu a yi lunghangi liya yi dominate ngopfu as a music video nayo a yi lunghangi no ni nga tivi kona ku minkarhi liya a yi kona i music video musi ya kona ya Sho Madjozi na i music video I think hi yona yi nga na power hi kona musi ya Sho Madjozi it's a music video ne ya a ku ri music video liya okay yeah a ku ri music video yeah so I believe ku ri yona le by far ka ti-MP3 ta xigaza I think yona le yona yi nga ba ngopfu I think yona by far yona yi nga endla matimu in terms of the MP3 hi ku hatla yi reacha ti-views MP3 not the music video ku letin'wana yes music video ti hatlisini tin'wana hi ti voneni vhele even ya Sho Madjozi but ku hi MP3 ya hi swona i matimu but in overall hi nge swi vhiki mina a ni tsaka hi maendlelo ya vona swi va nga swi ndlisa swona swi kahle leswo hi swi vula ku va ka this track paparo lava fika va nga yi credit in a way pha ku nga ri mistake ku vhele mi swi twini ni ta tlhela vekela hi link on top comment kwala a ku nga ri mistake i swilo leswi nga vulavuriwa na Salani na Lekere va twana ku ve nge yi tsali la so a swi va swi nga ri fair and then tlhela ni nga tsakisiwangi hi ndlela leyi a nga yi competisa xiswona I mean ku compensate xichangana swo ku changela za xilungu the way which he compensated Babarilani I'm not happy with it 1000 a lunghisi na la a yi chela a yi tlakuse nyana a yi tlakusi kwalaha a yi fika 5 kwalaha between 5 and 10 but yeah 10 ya yi deserve na yona ku hi mali leyi nga ndo because the tracks yi le ka 2 million views and then na hala ka Spotify let's see yeah as you can see it's 1.8 no hala yi kokeni hala ka Spotify and ku tlhela ku na site ra Apple Music nayo ka streamiwa swinene ka gaza vanhu va xava la unfortunately data ya swona ya hava but nakona mi ta kuma ku nayo yi kokeni swinene na hala ka Apple Music so risimu ri ta ri endle mali yo vonaka swinene ya vonaka lero ya deserve ku va yi nyikiwa mali yo vonaka yi kokeni swinene ku xota around 200,000 views as you can see kona so mina hi ku tsakela mina va lunghisi timali laha swi va kahle ni nga va happy in that way but in overall congratulations to them va tirheni swinene Lekere J John Babarilani va tirheni swinene hi nga ri na Salani the beatmaker va tirheni swinene leswi loko ri amukeza so ska banta kumela mi click subscribe